How to create Shopify theme from scratch. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Let's see how we can do it. For this, simply open up your Shopify. After that, open up the online store and open up the themes. Here, click on this option of customize, and after that, just wait for it to load. Now over here, you can select the option of home pages at the top, and over here, you can find the option of pages. Simply click on it. Now you would find this option of create template. Simply select it, then name it anything that you want and click on create template. After that, you can just simply select and add different sections to this particular page and give it a theme according to your needs and requirements, and this way you would be able to create a page right from the scratch. And after that, you need to assign it as well. So in order to assign this particular page, you just have to exit from here, then click on this option of pages, then click on option of add page. Now we need to add that particular page, and here when we click on online store, we can find this option of test and just simply click on save in order to add this particular page that we just created in the theme section. Now when we get back to customize and click on this option of home pages, and now when we click on the option of pages, we would be able to find the page that we just created, and this way you can use that particular theme for your other projects as well. And this is how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.